Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. YouTube has introduced its own version of a recap, similar to Spotify Wrapped, called the Gaming and Music Recap. Here's how you can access it easily. First, make sure your YouTube app is up to date. Head over to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube, and update the app if needed. Once your app is updated, open the YouTube app on your device. To locate your recap, swipe through the menu until you find the compass icon. Tap it, then select the music and gaming category. Since I primarily use the music recap, here's what to do if the Get Your Recap button doesn't appear for you. Instead of seeing the button, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, look at the center of the screen. You'll find the Your Music Recap is Here section. Tap on it to view your personalized music stats. That's it. Now you can enjoy your YouTube Music Recap for this year.